Hello, grade 6 students, and welcome to today's lesson, which is Module 1, Our World, Part 2. In today's lesson, we're going to work on the student's book, pages 11 and 67, workbook on page 7. The learning objectives. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to use the articles a, an, and the correctly in sentences. Number 2, compose 7 sentences using different possessive pronouns. Checkpoint. Do you know how to use the articles a, an, and the in sentences? Let's see how much you know. Here is an exercise. Fill in the gaps with the suitable articles. Use a, an, or the in this paragraph. Let's do the first sentence together. Yesterday was Saturday, space, 12th of September. So the answer is the 12th of September. Good job. Now, pause the video till you finish filling in the remaining gaps. Back again. Let's check your answers. It was off, so I decided to visit a friend. Salim was the one I had chosen because he lives in a compound nearby. I rode my yellow bike to reach his house. Once I arrived, I found a dog in front of the house where Salim lives. I called him to come out. Soon, Salim appeared on his blue bike. We enjoyed riding our bikes for an hour. Thank you. Remember, this is only checkpoint. We're going to know more about the articles in the following minutes. Get your student's book and open it on page 67, the grammar reference, especially this part. And let's read it together. The articles a or an. We use a before a singular countable nouns with a consonant sound. For example, a boy. We use an before singular countable nouns with a vowel sound. For example, an egg, an hour. We use a or an before quantities like a kilo of sugar, and also occupations or jobs like a pilot, a teacher. The article the, we use the before singular or plural nouns to talk about something or someone specific or unique. Like, the computer is on the desk. The sea is beautiful. We also use the before nouns that are mentioned a second time. Like, I've got a bike. The bike is blue. Also use the before dates. Tomorrow is the 22nd. Now it's time to go to the workbook to check our understanding. So go to your workbook, page 7, especially this exercise, exercise 2. Read and circle. Let's do number 1 together. There is a or the tube of toothpaste in a or the cupboard. So the answers are, there is a tube of toothpaste in the cupboard. Thank you. Now pause the video till you finish this exercise. Back again. Let's check the answers. Number 2. The blue sleeping bag is Mansour's. Mine is yellow. Number 3. The cheese and tomato pizza is his. The cheese and mushroom pizza is mine. Number 4. I drink a cup of hot coffee in the morning and a glass of cold coffee in the afternoon. Number 5. Where is the pink towel? Only the purple towel is here. The last one, that's Tom Evans. He is the astronaut who lives on the new space station. Well done, and let's move on. Kindly go back to your student's book on page 11 to work on this exercise as the start to achieve the second objective. Exercise 5. Play a memory game. In fact, we're not going to play a memory game. We're going to play another game, which is find the owner. How we play it, we will know now. On this exercise, we have a picture of 7 items, which are bag, hat, flower, bottle of water, medal, puzzle, and tablet. And also we have a picture of people in a garden. These people are the owners of these items. So we're going to ask and answer about the owners of each item. For example, the bag. We need to know the owner of the bag. How can we ask this question? Thank you. Whose bag is this? So the answer is going to be, it's Joe's bag. It's Joe's bag. Also we can say it's his. His here is the possessive pronoun. So we write it in a different place as a note. So we will take notes of all possessive pronouns in this exercise. Let's move to the next item, which is the hat. So, whose hat is this? The answer is, it's Mr. Smith's hat. The possessive pronoun is his. It's his. Next item, the flower. Whose flower is this? The answer? Thank you. It's Jane's flower. Jane's flower. It's, good job. It's hers, because Jane is a girl or a female, but Joe is a boy or a male. Next item, the bottle of water. Whose bottle of water is this? Thank you. It's Dad's bottle of water. It's his. Next, the medal. Whose medal is this? It's clear. It's Ken's medal. It's his. That's it. Next item is the tablet. Whose tablet is this? It's Granddad's tablet. It's his. Thank you. After that, we have the puzzle. Whose puzzle is this? It's Sharon and Diana's puzzle. It's theirs. Oh, why do we use theirs here? Because Sharon and Diana are 2 people. They are the owners of the puzzles. So the puzzle is theirs. Now, let's move on to read the grammar reference. Go to your student's book, page 67, especially this part of the page. Grammar reference. Possessive pronouns. Let's read the question and the answers to see how we use the possessive pronouns. The question is, whose trainers are these? The answer, they are John's trainers. Or we can say, they are John's. Also we can say, they are his trainers. Or they are his, to use the possessive pronoun in this green box. So in this green box, the word his is a possessive pronoun. So let's have a look at the subject pronouns and the possessive pronouns. So the subject personal pronouns are I, you, he, she, it, we, you, and they. And the possessive pronouns are mine, used for I, yours, used for you, his, for he, hers, for she, ours, for we, yours, for you, theirs, for they. Now it's time to go to the assessment. Open your workbook, page 7, especially exercise 3. Read and match. In this exercise, you need to match each of the 7 sentences on the left to its equivalent on the right. Before we do this, let's read the ones on the right. A, it's yours. B, it's mine. C, they are yours. D, it's ours. E, it's theirs. F, it's hers. G, it's his. Let's do the first sentence together. The green bike is Tony's. So Tony is a boy or a man. He is a male. So we use the possessive pronoun his. So the answer will be it's his. Now pause the video till you finish matching the remaining sentences. Back again. Let's check. Number 2. The big bedroom is Huda and Asma's room. So the answer is E. It's theirs. Number 3. That tablet is Amy's. The answer, F. It's hers. Number 4. This is my sleeping bag. The answer is B. It's mine. Number 5. This towel is for you. The answer is A. It's yours. Next, these ice creams are for you and Radwa. So the answer is C. They are yours. The last sentence, we have got a pet cat. It's ours. Thank you and well done.